Gelato. That's the Italian for ice cream. It's creamy, tasty, and
satisfying.
And it can even replace a whole meal in the steamy summer nights. Fancy making your own gelato at home? Get ready with the ingredients. Coming up, Mom's recipe.
Ciao a tutti! Today I want to talk about ice cream. To make ice cream like us beautiful gelaterie in Italy is possible, and I try many recipes because I want to prepare the perfect recipe for ice cream. The perfect recipe that give for ice cream the creamy feeling like exactly the Italian ice cream. The recipe: mix the powder, milk, sugar and agar. In this pan I put all the liquid: cream, milk. The glucosium is a little sticky, is normal. I put the fire. The mix have to reach 80 degrees. If to start to boil, you are not more able to whip the ice cream. If you don't have a thermometer, you have to check when the mix to start to smoke, and you start to look in a little bubble around the pan. Then it's time for off the fire. Now I off the fire and I have to put the powder inside the mix, but it's not possible to do immediately because to need that the temperature fall down around 40 degrees. Now it's time to add the powder in the liquid. This work you have to do when the temperature go down to 14 degrees. Why I understand that is 14 if I don't have a thermometer? Is impossible, but what I checking is this. If I put my finger in the liquid and I am able to touch the liquid, this means that the temperature is okay. Now I mix it. I mix the liquid with the powder. Now I put the mixer in the fridge at least 6 hours. See you tomorrow. Bye! Ciao a tutti again. Now it's past more than 6 hours. In my case, exactly 12. It's time for whipping the ice cream, for inglobate the air, and to try to putting down the temperature. I asked Giulia to help me. Giulietta!
If you cannot get a creamy texture of the ingredients, do it in these steps. Whisk, stop. Put the bowl into the freezer for several minutes. Repeat until you get the creamy feeling. It may seem that it is not working. No worries, Mom is always right.
I don't know how to say in English, but you have to mix until like this. What I do now is to put the ice cream in the plastic and I frozen them. What I make with you today is very basic ice cream. In Italian the name is fior di latte. But why you have to prepare ice cream in the house because you become sure about what you give for your children. If you liked my recipe, you write for me and tell me where is your favorite flower. I try to make with you.
We hope you liked this video. Help me to improve leaving comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell if you don't want to miss the next episodes of Toni's Home.